Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuhu. Greetings of peace and prosperity. So this is my part 2 of my soap creative soap basket. I choose this person because it is also my half of my life, my foundation. Of course, I give my creative soap basket to my mother because he is one of my motivation and my inspiration, who the reason why I am here, the reason on why I am very stronger in everyday life, no. So it is very important that we need to value our mother, our ina, umis, and our modras, ganyan. So it is very vital, no, na kailangan we must acknowledge and appreciate kung ano yung binibigay sa atin ng mother natin. And this time, I want to give my creative soap basket to my mother because it is very she is very important to my life because she is really the reason why I am standing here in front of you and working hard in everyday life. And my mother is one of the very best mom that I have. So that soap basket is for her. It is because I love her, and also that is my belated gift for her as we are celebrating Mother's Day in this chapter. Thank you so much and for watching. Bye bye.